Let me begin this presentation by asking you a simple question. Which one of the following will you prefer more, the keypad one or the touch screen one? Most of the people select the touch screen one. So nowadays, devices having touch screen are quite liked by the people as they are quite easy to use. People find them very user friendly. Whatever you want on the device, you are just a touch away, and so they are also in huge demand in the market. So, hi, this is Ishan, and this is my ELP video project. Let's begin. So what is a touch screen? A touch screen is an electronic visual display that can detect touch on the display area. A touch screen is basically an input device. So the touch could be made by fingers or stylus. So here we are making the input by fingers and here we are using a stylus. So how does a touch screen works? Touch screen work using electricity and touch sensors. The screen is made of glass and insulating material. The surface of the screen is therefore coated with a thin layer of an electrically conducting material such as indium tin oxide. We choose this material only because it is transparent also. So generally, touch screens are made by using two kinds of technology. First is the resistive touch screen one and the capacitive touch screen. So now let's see the working of a resistive touch screen. So a resistive touch screen has a flexible layer and a glass layer on the inside, and both of these layers are coated with ITO as it is transparent as well as conducting, and then we attach a battery to one of the layer and the other terminal of the battery to the other layer, so as the user touches the screen, so as here the touch is made, some pressure is created, and due to this the conducting films which were earlier separated come in contact and suddenly current flows. So the current flow can be calculated using Ohm's law uh, by dividing voltage applied by the battery divided by the resistance, and this resistance can be calculated using the formula rho L by A, where rho is the specific resistivity of the conducting material which we use, A is the cross section area, and L is the distance of the screen touched from one end. So like this could be our L. So the touch sensor uses this L to take the input and then the computer processes it. So initially, the devices which came with touch screen, we had to press them to give the input. So it means that they would have been using resistive touchscreen technology. But as technology advanced and people developed a better technology like the capacitive touchscreen technology, where we just have to tap on the screen in order to give the input. So now let's discuss about capacitive touchscreen technology. So unlike resistive touchscreen, capacitive touchscreen do not require pressure to operate. In capacitive touchscreen, charges are stored on a glass plate and sensors are present on each corner of the screen. Now we humans can also conduct electricity. So when we touch the screen, the initially present electric field changes due to some charges present on our fingertips, and sensor detects its location, and hence the touch gets recognized and then the computer processes it. So we can say that capacitive systems use a layer of capacitive material which changes the amount of electrostatic charge at the point where the contact has been made, and the sensor detects the touch. So this is a capacitive touch screen. So it has a layer which has so many wires in it, and then we have a ITO coating, and then again we have a ITO coating over the glass plate. So these wires are made up of very small capacitors which store some charge, and our fingertips also have some charge. So when we touch the screen, some electrostatic disturbance would occur, and thus the touch gets recognized by the sensors. Now the location of the touch made can be recognized by the following, that electric field would change at the point where we touch the screen because of some electrostatic disturbance, and this would generate some potential drop at that particular point. And in this way, the touch would get recognized. Thus, we have the relation Q equals to so as the charge changes, some voltage drop occurs, and due to which the electric field changes at the point where we have made the touch, and thus the touch get recognized. Some examples where we use capacitive touch screen are smartwatches, in cars, and smartphones. These are some references which I used to make my project. Thank you. Hope you liked my presentation.